I think once you've been exposed to some of these ideas and how some of the best practices are around that, then you can actually start building your own uh, uh, automated processes rather than just kind of tinkering and playing around.
One thing I find really interesting right now, and this is something I certainly talk a lot about with new people, new users into Power BI, is that data modeling is no longer the sole domain of IT. If you want to become an effective user of Power BI, you don't need to become an expert in dimensional modeling, but having an understanding how it comes together and how to use it to make yourself a more efficient Power BI user is very important. In fact, I sometimes joke that data modeling is undergoing a bit of a renaissance right now because it is moving from a pure IT play to something that business users do need to understand how to do. And whether business users knew it or not, they were following a modeling technique, especially those who used Excel for many years. It was as we in the Power BI world call affectionately, the one big table model. And you did modeling that way to work within the confines of Excel because usually you wanted a pivot table, you wanted some tables of data. So, all right, what do I need to do? I need to plop all my data into a single table so I can put a pivot table on top of it, and then I can do my analytics, right? So Excel users come with many years of design patterns and data modeling. You probably never called it that, but it's something that's really important to use. And the one thing I really talk a lot about when we're doing our teaching and training, getting people educated, is that dimensional modeling is actually easier to perform from a technical perspective than what you're doing inside of Excel.